Hey peeps, so I am back with another tutorial, and this one is really going to be straight through. I'm going to hold up the products, you're going to see what I'm using. I might do like a little voiceover, and that's about it. It's not going to be too involved, it's not going to be a review, it's just going to be my simple 1 hour look. Like literally I can show y'all a screenshot of the time on this tutorial, and it's literally an hour. So I really hope that you guys enjoy this video and go ahead and take a look. Oh yeah, hold up, skirt, period poo. Did y'all subscribe? Did you thumbs up? Did you share the video? Are you gonna comment down below? Because I'm gonna need y'all to do that. Now let's get into this tutorial. So I'm using the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit to get these bomb brows, and then of course my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Toffee to outline the brow shape, and then the Smashbox 24-hour Photo Finish Primer, and that just helps make sure our eyeshadow is going to last all day. And then we're going into the Missy Lynn and BH Cosmetics limited edition palette, so I don't believe you can get it anymore. You might be able to get similar colors from BH Cosmetics, but not this particular palette. However, all you need is a brown shimmer color that you like against your skin tone, or if you are a lighter complexion, you can probably use something that's more of a beigey color to match with your skin tone, and then just something in the corner to give that pop. And this is the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. Absolutely love it. Recommended by Aaliyah J. And it does dry matte just like she said. And it's really good to get a precise line. And then I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the orange color corrector to make sure we hide all of those dark circles. And then we have to do our foundation, of course. So today, for the first time, I was actually using the 490W Luminous Foundation. Now, it was just my first time using that shade. If you look back to one of my previous tutorials, you will see me using a darker color, and that color was honestly very ugly. Like, absolutely not. I was a little bit darker just a few months ago, so it wasn't that bad, but this is definitely more so my color. It is a little bit on the red side, but when you go ahead and do everything else a part of your routine, it kind of tones it down. Going back with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee to go ahead and highlight. So I highlight under the eye, the chin, the brow, and center of the forehead. Just want to make sure that you blend really good so you don't have any harsh lines. So you want to do as much as you can with your beauty blender, and I am using the original beauty blender here. Okay, so I'm going to go back with my foundation brush to blend out any harsh lines. We cannot have those harsh lines. And then of course it is time to set that highlight. I have to set my highlight especially under my eye because of the creases around my eye, you know, underneath. I have like crow's feet, even though I'm like clearly not old. But I did go a little ham with the setting powder, and that setting powder is the Banana Rich by Morphe. I went in though, you definitely don't have to do this much, but I just really wanted to see what would happen if I did that much. And then I take that same foundation brush to blend out all of that powder because I just want to make sure it is nice and blended when I am wiping it off. So I'm more so wiping it off than doing any pressing, and I do take the powder off right away. I do not bake, but I'm mostly making sure that around those edges everything is nicely blended out. I am going to keep the powder on my nose there, and then I am going in with this MAC blush. It is in the color Lovejoy, and it is a mineralized blush, and it's more of a skin tone brown, like bronzy type of situation, so that's why I put that in the contour areas. And then we go into this Black Radiance Dark to Deep, and I'm using that middle color. If you are of deeper skin tone, that is the one that you want to use right next to it, that darker color. And if you are of a lighter skin complexion, you actually want to go to the next palette down that they have for contouring, or just very lightly contour with that middle brown. And then I'm using one of my favorites, which is the NARS Seduction Blush. I didn't put on as much as I typically do because I really wanted a more natural, healthy skin type of look. I do like to bring my blush up into the temple and also a little bit on the nose just to bring that color back to the face. And then I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome in 100, which is molten gold. Got this from Aaliyah's face when she did a tutorial of hers. Absolutely love this as well. I loved how it looked on her. So for lighter skin tones, it really looks really good. And then I'm just going back in to build up anything that we lost in the process. We really lost some of that white, so I wanted to make sure we got that back in as well. And using my Azretto lashes in the style Doll, of course. And I didn't show you guys the exact mascara I was using, but I am using the Better Than Sex Mascara by Too Faced in the Tutti Frutti line. And for lower lashes, you just have to be very careful and just keep reapplying. And then I used the Anastasia Girly Lip Gloss, and that completed the entire look, and it is a bomb. I hope you guys liked the video, and don't forget to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Okay, we made it to the end. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you liked this video. A lot of my tutorials are a little bit longer, but that's because I like to give y'all a lot of detail, a lot of reviews. I've been trying new things, but I haven't really bought anything new. Everything that I just used, you should have already seen me use it if you are keeping up with the channel and turning your notifications on after you subscribe. So once you subscribe, you can turn on your post notifications, and you want to make sure that you hit all so you can see everything and you don't miss a beat. And guys, I'm just real hyped up because I just love how this look came out, and I really did this in an hour. Y'all are gonna see the sped up version, but I really did this in an hour, and I feel cute, period poo. So I'm just real hyped. This is me 100% feeling myself. Once again, I hope you liked this video, and thank you so much for tuning in and making to the end. If you made it to the end, comment down below, leave the pig nose emoji. I love pigs, and I can't wait to go to that one island that all the YouTubers be going to when they see pigs. But like in general, like if I go to a farm, anything like that, oh my god, I want to hold a baby pig. I want to own a baby pig. Levels. JK, but make sure y'all leave the pig nose, not a pig, but the pig nose. So either leave just the pig nose if you don't got the time, but if you got the time, leave a genuine comment, and then at the end of that comment, leave the pig nose, and only y'all who made it to the end will know, and then I know that y'all really are some real supporters. See you guys in the next video. Peace.